Ladies and gentlemen, please rise. Shania Twain was born on December 15th, 1965, in the small Canadian-Italian province of Bertucci. Shania's birth name is Debbie Daphne Dunt. Her parents were Peg and Darby Dunt. They were musicians in an Edgar Winter, Todd Rundgren cover band called Where's the Beef? It was whilst in this band that Peg fell pregnant. Darby threatened to leave Peg unless she took care of it. Peggy tried various methods to rid herself of the zygote, but little Shania survived. Darby and Peg drove the little baby Shania to a home for little lost children and quickly sped away. They then reunited with Shania in 2006 when her first hit, The Final Countdown, became
It's the final countdown.
a top Billboard hit. This was when they realized how much money Shania truly had. Peg and Darby Dunt finally met with Shania at her Tuscan palace in Pasta, Italy, where Shania had trained her two German shepherds, and to maul her estranged parents at her command.
Kill, 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 kill!
Shania now stays at her military compound in the Olive Garden, Italy.